right, time for some hip yoga. Very gentle, beautiful hip movements to bring in some oxygenation. Hip is important, you know. It's a huge joint joint in the body. And you want that lubricated so you can move. So we'll do 5 basic, simple moves for hip rejuvenation to bring some action in your hips so you can move and dance. Any dance you like. I like disco and rock and all kinds of music. All right, let's start this way. This is called butterfly. So both feet come close like this. Now, some of us might not be able to take it in that deep, but see how deep you can take it in. In, as deep as it goes. If it's this much you got, that's fine. Once you got your spot, knees go down. You can use the elbows, just push the knees down a little bit. And breathe. From whatever position you are in. Little movements. I'm using some muscle here to take the knees more down. Straighten my spine. My shoulders were kind of getting jammed up, so I'm going to soften it down. Breathe. Now slowly put the hands on top. Sit up straight. Chin up. Nose breathing, by the way. Everything we do, keep the breathing through the nostrils. One of these days we'll talk why. Shake a little bit. Bring the feet more. Just shake. All right, release. That was first. Number 2. Turn sideways. Left foot comes in. As deep as you can get it. Some of us can only put it here. So please listen to your own body. Foot comes in. Toes to the sky. Half a butterfly. Inhale it up. From the hips. Chin up. Go as deep as you can. Wherever you're going to reach. Put the hands down. Soften the neck. Now, maybe this much is not available, so just put it here without bending the knee to go deeper. Hamstrings get a juicy stretch, toes to the sky. This might be enough. Just soften the neck, but if you're gonna go deeper, go. You know the reason that I keep saying this? I want everybody to benefit and not be intimidated just because they can't push it as deep and compare it with someone else. That's not what yoga is about. So only do what feels good to you and the benefits will be humongous. So anyway, you're staying here, breathing. Few more seconds, wow, so good. Hamstring, back, left hip is down. Inhale, touch the sky. Exhale to the heart. Other side, same thing. Left foot comes out. Right foot comes in. Take it as deep as comfortable for you. Toes touch the sky. Hamstring down. Knee down on the right side to touch that hip. Inhale, gasoline to the top. On an exhale, from the hip all the way to your own feeling. When you get to that place where you're going to stop, just soften the neck down and breathe. Nose is working in and out.
Parasympathetic nervous system has been activated. Rest and digest and healing has begun. Calm mind. Just takes a few minutes, everybody. Your whole awareness shifts. Inhale, touch the sky. Exhale the heart. Okay, now shake a little. Bring the right knee in and use the muscle of this hand. Grab it and just turn a little bit to the side. It doesn't have to be all the way back, just a little bit. Breathe. Few more seconds. Neck can move too. By the way, don't be so statue-like in your postures. Make sure that whatever posture you're doing, let it be fluid. Let it be some liquidity to it, where you're touching slightly different areas. Gently change sides. Hello, left leg. Knee comes in. Toes to the sky. Hamstring down. Let's see. Arm here. Twist. Piece of cake. Slap. Don't go too much. Just a little bit. Always use this hand to kind of control how much you want to take it in, and maybe the knee comes a little bit closer. You want it to feel slightly challenging, but also delicious. Couple of more breaths. Gentle movement from the spine, from the leg. Slowly release. Shake, shake, shake. Okay. Inhale to the sky, chin up, forward bend. Basic but very powerful pose. Exhale from the hips as much as comfortable. Put the hands wherever they reach. Soften the neck down. 20 seconds, maybe 25 or 29. I don't know how many seconds. Just breathe. Why don't you make two fists and start kind of tapping on your kidneys, on your back a little bit, up and down the spine. Yeah. Inhale, touch the sky. Exhale the heart. Next, I think that was number 3. I said 5 total, but we might have to do 6. Okay, bring this in. Left foot goes out. Right foot gets picked up. Just grab it here for a second. If this is all you got, that's fine. But if you want more, take that foot a little bit more inside. Ow, good. If you want more, put that foot in between this crack right here. Move it to the right. Move it to the left. So you want to feel this hip here. If you're not feeling it, take the leg a little higher. Bring the foot closer to the shoulder. Just use your own intuition to see what feels good. A little right, a little bit left. Shake, shake, shake. Let that hip get some oxygenation so we can move. Slowly release. Whew. Other side. Left foot comes up. To your own degree, it could be this much.
I'm going to take it all the way here. Sit up straight. Make sure you're feeling this left hip. Foot comes to the shoulder. Ah. Breath gets deep now. Slowly move to the left. You can hold it a few seconds at one spot and breathe, breathe, breathe. If you're not feeling it here, take it higher. Ow, 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 ow. If you want to put it behind your head, you can, but don't do that today. Shake left and right. Crackle, 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 crackle. Stagnation, bye-bye. Oxygenation, hello. Hello. Guys, you want movement all throughout the body, all throughout the system. Things have to flow. The system is connected. There's no such thing as a separate hip, separate shoulder. The whole nervous system is inside the body, connected like a web. So every part should be touched for the other part to also benefit. There's no such thing as separate shoulder pain. Maybe that shoulder pain is coming from your hip because it's pulling the nerves there. How come we don't get that? Crackle, crackle, maybe kiss your toes. Thank you, toes. Thank you for being able to walk. Slowly release. Okay, last one, I believe. Lay on the floor flat. Left foot up. Right foot on top of the left knee. Couple of options. One option is you just lift it this much, and that's all you got. But if it's available, bring the hands, second option, from the inside of that leg. And then pull it in. If it's not, I don't feel anything here, so I need to do a little bit more. Arm goes from the middle. Grab the top of that knee. I still would like to do a little bit more, but maybe you're comfortable there. Keep it there. Now use the muscle to bring that left foot to the left shoulder. Right hip is opening. Breathe. I tensed my eyebrows, so I had to soften them up. Body goes into these reactive modes, but we are the driver of our body. We are the driver of this car. If we learn how to drive it, we can really navigate it beautifully. Most people know how to drive their car, but they have no idea how to drive their body. Slowly bring it down. Other side. Right foot goes up. Left one on top. Lift it up. Any position that you want. With breath. Gentle movement. Maybe after a few seconds you can push it in deeper because some more layers might be available for release. Everything comes down. And lastly, just bring the knees to your chest. Squeeze everything you got. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Bye-bye stagnation. Hello rejuvenation. Shavasana. Everything to the floor. Palms down. Palms facing the sky actually. Or whatever you feel good. Breath. Meditation, just a couple of minutes. Eyes closed. Feel it inside. Wiggle, wiggle, crackle, crackle. Gently bringing myself up. But you can stay if you're gonna stay deeper. Slow motion. Wow. Go inside for half a minute now. Send some messages to your trillions of cells. Thank you, cells, for communicating, talking with each other, loving each other, so I can function as one whole, wonderful human being. I love doing these videos for you because it'll make a difference in your life. Then you can make a difference in the life of the people that you love, or even strangers, because when you feel good, you treat everybody better, and that's how the world changes. We're all connected, as we can see. Thank you.